Hey everyone, well today we have a fun one. We're going to be working on our 2026 Yamaha YZ-F R9 sport bike. We already fitted Yoshimura's American-made AT2 full race exhaust for closed course competition. We outlined that installation process and what the exhaust looks like and feels like and sounds like in another video, so make sure to check that out. Now it's time to replace our worn out OE fitted Bridgestone Battlax S22s. They may not look worn out, but they certainly are. The grip has gone off, especially at the racetrack. And now we're gonna replace those S22s for a set of Q5Ss from Dunlop Motorcycle Tire Co. We've got a Sportmax Q5S, which is a more road-based sport bike tire designed for all of you riders out there who wanna ride on the street, on the track, and have a little bit more durability than the traditional Q5. All right, folks, it's time to get to work and use our Rabaconda tire changer and mount up some tires. Let's go. All right, everyone, we got our Dunlop Sportmax Q5S in 180/55/17 on the bike with Rabaconda's awesome tire changing equipment. I ain't gonna lie, this tool is super awesome. It does have a learning curve. There are some tricks to using this thing. I'm not gonna lie. I also made a little bit of a mess, but once you get used to it, it's actually pretty good. Really saves time. You don't have to go to the shop to change your tires and you're in control. And it's fun just to be a DIY, fully independent, not having to need any help or feedback from any yahoos. All right, folks, now it's time to swap out this well-worn OE fitted S22 Battlax for that Q5S 120/17/70 safety glasses for safety. And let's go. All right, folks, let me show you how this thing works. We dismounted our wheel off our 2026 YZ-F R9 with the Bridgestone S22. We've got our Rabaconda. It fits in this nice bag, weighs just over 30 pounds, so pretty portable. And we've mounted the wheel. Now we're gonna break the bead right here. It's super easy. All you really do is push down like that, and the bead will break. You gotta keep going. So that's how you do it. Obviously, we need two hands. So we're gonna do that right now. Keep going, and then we'll continue the process, but super easy. What a great tool. Quick little pro tip. We moved this lever from this outside part, which is good for the rear wheels, to this inside part, which is good for the front wheels. Give us a little bit more leverage and help us break that bead a little more efficiently. Well, everyone, and just like that, we've changed the tires on our 2026 YZ-F R9 project bike with Rabaconda's easy to use street bike tire changers. This case and the contents, it weighs right around 37 pounds, so not too heavy, very manageable. $700 for that, and you can change your tires anywhere. Super great design, easy to use. As you can see, it didn't take us that long to mount our Sportmax Q5S's in OE fitment. This rear tire is a little bit heavier than the Bridgestone Battlax S22, but the front tire was a little bit lighter. Now it's time to set our pressures and head to the racetrack and put on some laps on our 2026 YZ-F R9. As always, folks, make sure to sound off in the comments section. Stay tuned for a shootout between this and the Ninja ZX6R. Also, check out the @AdamWhite Instagram channel for top 5 features video on Rabaconda's product. You're gonna learn a lot of fun facts on this product that you're probably not gonna find anywhere else on the internet. So check out the @AdamWhite Instagram channel and make sure to give me a follow. That would be awesome. And we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Mistake and